Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitriani, but most people call me Fitri. I'm a third semester psychology student at Universitas Teknologi Nusantara. Today, I'm going to present two prominent figures in humanistic psychology, Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers. Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow was a well-known American psychologist born in 1908 in Brooklyn, New York. He is recognized as one of the pioneers of humanistic psychology. Maslow's early life was quiet, difficult, and lonely. Because of that, he often sought comfort in books and libraries, which eventually developed his depth curiosity about self-actualization and the human experience. His most famous contribution is the hierarchy of human needs, first proposed in 1943. Maslow passed away in 1970 at the age of 62 after suffering a heart attack in California. Early life and education. Maslow was the eldest of 7 children in a Jewish family that had emigrated from Russia. His childhood was marked by loneliness and experience of discrimination, since he lived in a mostly non-Jewish neighborhood. At first, he studied law at the City College of New York, but later switched to psychology because he found law uninteresting. He eventually continued his studies at the University of Wisconsin, where he completed his bachelor's, master's, and PhD in psychology under Harry Harlow, a well-known psychologist famous for his research on attachment, career, and contributions. Maslow became one of the founding figures of the humanistic psychology movement, which focuses on human potential, positive growth, and self-development. He wants to move away from the pessimistic views of psychoanalysis and behaviorism, and instead focus on the positive nature of human beings. His most well-known theory, the hierarchy of needs, explains that human motivation is based on a series of needs, starting from the most basic psychological needs, moving up through safety, love and belonging, esteem, and finally self-actualization, which is the realization of one's fullest potential. In 1951, he joined Brandeis University as professor and chair of the psychology department, where he refined his theories and published his most influential works, including Motivation and Personality, 1954, and Toward a Psychology of Being, 1962. Maslow also served as president of the American Psychological Association, or APA, but eventually stepped down early because he preferred solitude and had social anxiety. In his later years, he became interested in ethics, democracy, and humanistic management, encouraging organizations to prioritize moral values and human well-being. Maslow passed away on June 8, 1970 at the age of 62, even though his life was relatively short. His ideas continue to influence to influence psychology, education, management, and leadership around the world.